How do you fix我被男同学包围了 is crashing on Steam? So the first thing you'll need to do is go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. And in the launch options, you will need to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files. Now, once this process is completed, you can close Steam, and then you will need to open up your browser. Navigate to this link, which you can find below in the description. And from here, you will need to get the 86 and the 64 installer for the redistributables from Microsoft. And once you finish the installation, this will require you to restart your computer. And right after the restart, one thing you'll need to do as well is update your GPU driver. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need this NVIDIA app to install drivers, which you can go to drivers section, check for updates, and download and install the latest available update. And once you've downloaded the update, all you need to do is right click on Steam, run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library. And this should solve the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.